Alright, we'll come back for the second trick. Normally, when you go for YouTube, it's not going to be in order. But this is how I teach the class in New York, based on this order, because the first one we do is the 15 square, 25 square, 35 square. Those are the easiest trick. That is the easiest trick. Now this is the second easiest. So actually, with this order, you can actually help the kids to realize, oh, calculation is not that bad. Of course, when you have the tricks, there's so many tricks to do one of the group. Yeah, because this is one of the tricks that I found the easiest. But you can find a lot of them, a lot of ways to do it. Right? We just show one of the way. Of course, now you see in the future, I'll show you the rest of the tricks and the rest of the step. Alright, let's cut the next one, the 50s. The 50s. 51 square, 52 square, 53 square, 54 square, 56 square, 57 square, 58 square, and 59 square. You notice that I'm skipping 55 square. Why? I can answer first. Yeah, I'm going to tell you why. Or I think maybe you noticed that I skipped 55 square because we did this on the first lesson, first trick. It's technically, I can use that. Using that one is easier than using this. You can use this trick to do 55 square, it doesn't matter. It's still the same answer. But depends on which one is faster only. Which one you can just see and get the answer right away. Now, let's do 51 square, 52, 53, 54. And you notice, remember the last topic we talked about, if this end with 5. So technically we talk about end with 5 square, then end with 25. Now this is start with 5. So people say, okay, 5 square is 25. Now, but you can never have 25 at the beginning. If I have 25, all of them, then this is not going to be correct, right? You think, imagine all of them have 25, something wrong. But I can say they are bases on 25. Based on 25. But how many digits are there? I can give you some hints. 1 to 31 square, 10 to 31 square is 3 digits. So 32 square onwards until 99 square are 4-digit numbers. So 51 to 59 square are all 4 digits. Very straightforward. Okay? 51 square to 59 square are all 4 digits. Now, how to get the first two? Unless you don't know how to do addition, then that will be a trouble. But if you know how to do addition, then we'll be fine. Right? Then we'll be fine. I believe most of us will be fine. We will survive. Alright, 25 plus this number is 1, obviously, right? 25 plus 1. What is 25 plus 1? Don't tell me you don't know how to do 25 plus 1, okay? If not, you have to go back to kindergarten. 25 plus 1 is 26. So you got 26 for the first 2 digits, which means on the hundred and thousands. You will ask why this is true. You don't need to why first because we are learning the tricks. We are not learning the proof yet. They have a proof. Right? If you are like in middle school already, as 7th graders or Form 1, you learn this proof. Now learn the formula of the square, then you can prove it. If you never learn algebra quadratic equation yet, you cannot do this proof. Alright? So just learn the tricks first. 25 plus 1 is 26. Very obvious. And how about the last 2 digits? It's 2 digits, so you take 1 square. What is 1 square? 1 square is 1, but it's only one place. I need to have 2 digits. So you just put 0, 1. So 51 square is 26 or 1. Now, can we do it in our head? 25 plus 1 is 26. 1 square is 0, 1. 2601. Don't just write down. It's 25 plus 1 square. 25 plus 1 is 26. 1 square is 1. Let's do the next one. 25 plus 2 is 27. 2 square is 4, which is 04. And 25 plus 2 is 27. 2 square is 4, which is 04. Does it make sense? Can you pause it for a moment and redo the rest? And make sure you write down your own explanation on the side. This will help you to remember your stuff. Then you can pause it for about 1 minute or maybe 10 seconds when you stop it after they come back. Yeah, we'll come back. Now, look at this. I'll put down the answer for you. I can do anyway like 2809. I can put like, I can do like 25 plus 9 is 34. 9 square is 81. 33 is 64. 32 is 49. can do like 2916, 3116. No, 3136, sorry. Right? So you notice something here. Before I continue, I need you to memorize something for next thing. You have to memorize 11 square, 12 square, 13 square, 14 square. Also, it's very important. 16 square, 17 square, 18 square, and 19 square. So when you put down this answer for you, it's 1 to 1. You know this. 144, 169, 196, 256, 289, 324, and 361. And you notice that the number here, the last digit is end with 1496 and 1496. 1496, 1496. It's very straightforward. Actually, they are interdependent. And you notice that when you are 55 square or 15 square, they end with 5. You have 50 square and 10 square, they end with 0. So if you notice all the numbers put together, you don't have 2, you don't have 3, you don't have 7, you don't end with 8, you don't end with 2, 3, 7, 8. If a number is end with 2, 3, 7, 8, that means they are not perfect square. The number ends with 2, 3, 7, 8, they are guaranteed not a perfect square. With 1, 4, 9, 6, 5, 0, yes, maybe they are perfect square, they have a chance. Right? So you can review this, we stop here, memorize this by heart, even though we can do it by calculations. But once you memorize it, so when we do 60 and 80, it will be very easy for you. Right? So let's conclude our lesson 2. We come for lesson 3 later.